Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat waiting to send problem. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Sometimes when you send a message on Snapchat, you get this waiting to send error. So if you open Snapchat and here you see this waiting to send error over here, you can see this error, and when that happens, the first thing you'll do is you will try and you'll check your Wi-Fi. So as you can see, my internet connection is not connected, which is why the message is not delivered. So try connecting to the internet and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is super strong, and if you're on data, make sure that your cellular connection is good as well. For that, try loading up another app, or see if you can load another site in Google Chrome. So if that is working, you know that it's not an error or connection problem. So another thing that could happen is there's a problem with the Snapchat server, which is why the data is not downloading or uploading, which is why you cannot send a message. So if it's a problem with the server, you can Google it, you can go check out Reddit or Twitter, and if other people around you are having similar problems, you know that is a problem with the server, and there's nothing you can do at that point except just wait it out. So just wait till the problem is solved. You can also on Android, you can also go to your settings and go to apps and notification, open up Snapchat, and here what you'll do is you will force stop the app and then open it. And once you do that, if the problem is still not gone, you can also confirm that it's not a problem with the app but more with the Snapchat server. And if none of this works out for you, try updating the app. So go to your Play Store and search Snapchat and update the app. So once you update the app, the problem might go away, and you know it was just a bug problem with the app older version. So if you do that and the problem gets fixed, that's it. I hope this video was of help to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below if you liked it, and also leave a like in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.